Welcome back to the recap show. Obviously, everybody just finished seeing the last time for the commercial for the Arcannabis Cup giveaway with Pistol in Paris, the helicopter tour, which is set to take place in August of this year. You know, want the weather to be nice out there, make it nice and clear so that you get all your photo ops and fun with Pistol in Paris. But right now, coming to you live from the Pistol in Paris facility on his side over there, Dylan, how are you, sir? And take it away and let us know who is the winner of this year's giveaway.
And yeah, so let me get to the winner. It's a tough name to pronounce. The winner is Rochelle Schuperneck. Miss 420 is what I've got. Probably not saying the last name proper, but Rochelle Schuperneck. Miss 420, you've won this award, so we're excited to get you in the helicopter. We're going to do it in August sometime, so we'll be reaching out to you and let you know all the details. Thanks, guys.
My name is Rochelle Kipp. Most of you know me on Instagram as Mr. and Mrs. 420. I am here at the Tsawwassen Ferry Terminal because I won the mother Pistol in Paris helicopter tour from Arcannabis, and I am so excited! Yay! Can't wait.
That's okay. Come on over.
Oh no. I'm scared.
First and foremost, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I got a little gift for you.
Oh god. No way.
Here you go. A
Are
nice
you
little
serious?
Pistol in Paris giveaway box.
It's in an Arcannabis bag?
Let me hold this for you so you can open it.
Get out! No way! Oh my god!
Show
Okay,
that
so
out.
I wanted another one of these because I used mine and I want one that's not used so I can put it away. Here. Umbrellas? Get the Look
Pistol
at
in Paris now.
Ah!
Not only that, we also got you the
lanyards.
keychains.
Yay!
These are my favorites.
I
Put
love
that down.
them. Wait.
My favorite part. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Check that out.
Mike, that's mine. You're not having it.
There's the cute and unfortunately with the sick ass
Yes! Oh my god, you guys!
It's so fun. I'm
This is
stoked.
like a royal, like, tour for the day. Like, I don't even know how to express my gratitude. I could almost cry.
Oh.
This is like one of the... yeah, I'm getting emotional. I've loved their brand from the get-go. They have been so consistent in the market. Their socials are amazing. The people are amazing. When you talk to them, it's just been an amazing experience following Pistol in Paris and being a fan of Pistol in Paris. And now, Arcannabis is going to be the only dispo that I go to.
Nice.
Plain and simple.
I love that.
I know you're one of our biggest fans, so that's awesome.
Huge.
Yeah.
Yeah, huge.
I'm actually so glad you guys won, that you won it, just
I
because
know.
all the support you give us online and all that stuff.
Yeah, well, it's easy to support fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Totally, dude.
Here, I'll get in a picture with her.
Okay.
Nothing here to see, just a kid like me, trying to cut some teeth, trying to figure it out. Nothing better to do when I'm stuck on you. I'm still on here trying to figure it out. Getting hard to sleep, blood is in my dreams. I was killing
For generations, the legacy market has been deeply rooted in the culture of British Columbians. A community of pioneers risking their freedom in hopes of a better day. That day has come. The same premium flower, now held to a higher standard. Pistol in Paris, legacy to legal.